And what did you do in January? Did you do anything like to accomplish your goals? You know what I'm saying? Like this year is gonna fly by. Good morning, y'all. Happy weekend. I got some beautiful flowers. Aren't they so pretty? I'm about to make some breakfast. It's already noon, but that's okay. Being a little bit lazy this morning, procrastinating my workout, but we got it done. I did an arm workout. I'm gonna eat a really high protein breakfast because we're going to the beach to have a picnic today, so I'm gonna take you guys with us. I'm a little upset that I ran out of the good cottage cheese, but it's okay. I have this one from Aldi's. It's not as good, but I'm gonna show you how I've been making my eggs, and it's gonna look gross, but it tastes good. I need you to just trust the process, okay? Trust the process. And it's gonna make it so much more higher in protein than just 2 eggs, which only has like 12 grams of protein. I just had eggs delivered because I forgot them when we were at Costco. I've been eating higher protein, lower carb. I'm already down 6 pounds. I'm feeling good. My face is less inflamed and puffy. I feel like it was super puffy last week, but it's not so bad this week. So this is how we're gonna do our eggs. Okay, we're gonna do 2 pasture-raised eggs, although it doesn't matter which eggs you use. The more ethical version of eggs, I would say. And we're gonna take a big old scoop. I don't measure it. I'm also not counting calories right now just because I find that I lose steam for it about halfway through the day, if I'm being honest. So I just eat high protein, lower carb in reasonable portions, and what do you know? It works. Is my nail falling off? Are you kidding me? Another thing that's been helping me, and I have not missed one day this week, is I've been getting 10 to 15,000 steps per day. I find that going on a sunrise morning walk when I drop Ava off from school with my energy drink to wake me up, there's something about walking when the sun is rising that makes me feel so good, and it's just the best way to start my day. So before I do work, I'll like throw on a podcast or like a bomb playlist. I've been really into like DJs on YouTube. They have really good mixes, and it's just such a vibe in the morning. So I'll do, I know this is a fork, but 3 scoops, and then we're gonna mix it, okay? We're gonna mix the eggs and cottage cheese. Now, the only thing about this with cottage cheese eggs is that it takes longer to cook than like regular eggs. So you have to just be mindful of that. I literally just dropped the pepper in the cottage cheese. So salt only today. And then while that's cooking, we're gonna eat some of those chicken sausages that I got yesterday from Costco. It's 15 grams of protein per link with 130 calories each, which is so good. So, are you excited to go to the beach? Mm-hmm. I put hot honey on it. I put hot honey on everything.
Yeah, if you said everything, even the walls would be covered with honey.
Right. These strawberries are good, right? Yeah.
But do you know what I would love for breakfast? A mango.
Yeah, but when mangoes aren't in season, they're so expensive. I'm not paying $7 for a mango.
How about 7 pennies? That would work.
7 pennies?
Yeah, 7 pennies would work. 7 pennies would be easier.
I wish everything was 7 pennies.
Mom, I've saw this on YouTube. Mm-hmm. They said don't try this at home. But
okay, well then you probably shouldn't try it at home. Y'all, I didn't miss any workouts this week whatsoever. I'm so proud of myself. Mommy was getting it. I love dresses like this. Any dress that I don't have to wear a bra, I'm gonna buy it. Oh, you wanna make a fancy drink. Okay. Ooh. I'll never be as cool as you. All right, y'all, we took forever to leave. So right now we're pulled off to the side of the road to get lunch at this food truck behind us. They said we got about 15-20 minutes to wait, and it's probably best that I feed her before we go on the beach.
And we have everything loaded in our wagon.
But there's not really anywhere to sit because it's just a food truck on the side of the road. So I was like, you know what? We'll just eat in the back of the car. The Telluride has a really big trunk, so we might as well use it. But I'm really just not feeling how I keep getting bit by these bugs. You don't have any bug bites? That must be nice.
Oh!
You don't have sweet blood, Mommy must have very sweet blood.
Actually, mine's cold-blooded.
You're cold-blooded? Uh-oh. You have the perfect slope, perfect light brown eyes, and big beautiful lips like Mama, and a little cute button nose like...
Bo keeps asking about this, and I'm kind of annoyed of it. I mean...
That's just an ear tag.
Actually...
And there's nothing wrong with it.
He doesn't bother it that much.
Well, I'm going to tell your teacher anyway, because this is just an ear tag, and it's totally normal.
Everybody keeps saying, what is that right here?
It's just an ear tag. Just tell them. Say I was born with an ear tag.
But I just say it's part of my body.
Yes, it's part of your body and it's beautiful. Everybody's born differently. All right, that's what we got. We got some fish and a few chicken wings and some fries.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract.
I think I've taken you guys to this beach before. It's like me and Ava's secret spot, huh? We're just gonna enjoy the afternoon and definitely stay here for sunset. I might have to hold this mic up because the beach, the ocean is really loud. But look at this, look how beautiful this is. This beach kind of reminds me of Maui. I think that's why I like it so much. But it's just so beautiful here. All right, let's sit down and chat while Ava looks for seashells. I forgot the beach blanket in the car. But yeah, I just wanted to take a break and talk to you guys for a second. Even last year this time, my life was so different, okay? I would have already had like pre-anxiety for Sunday to go into the office for a 9 to 5. Like I'm so incredibly grateful for my life right now and being able to come to the beach with her. I remember vividly when I was first a single mom and I was afraid to spend gas to even go to the beach. Like it's crazy what can happen when you actually believe in yourself. Like have the most delusion possible and just go for it. You know what I mean? Anyway, the point is, like, if there's something this year that you want to do, just go after it. The very worst that can happen is that you get experience and better at your craft. That's the worst that can happen. Because no matter what, if you work at it every single day, like you're gonna get better. There's no way you cannot get better if you're obsessed with it. And I think that's what most people are missing, like the obsession with whatever they're doing with their craft. Like I'm obsessed with videography and learning new like techniques and transitions and different ways to film like everyday life. I kid you not. Whenever I'm not filming or editing, which is granted is not that much, I'm at my desk on my walking pad, like studying other videographers and how they do things and different lessons that they're teaching on YouTube. Like I am obsessed with it. And I think that's just like the missing piece to the puzzle for most people is just obsession. Because listen, a year is not that long. You guys think you have a long time? It's already February. It's already mid-February. And what did you do in January? Did you do anything like to accomplish your goals? You know what I'm saying? Like this year is gonna fly by. Regardless, there's going to be two types of people, right? The types of people who go for it and the types of people who don't. I did really good last year, but I want that to look like light work compared to this year. Anyway, I just wanted to stop really quick in the middle of playing and just get that off my chest because I know somebody out there needs to hear it. You got this, I promise you. And if I can help in any way, if my channel can support you in any way, I will keep putting out content to help you guys grow. Okay, now it's time to play.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I'm busy. Rainy city, they blowing me crazy, it's no 30 degrees, way too cold for only time. Well, let's see.
We just took the prettiest pictures out. I'm about to show you right now. I really needed some updated photos with Ava, but sometimes I fail to take just like pictures. You know what I mean? I'm always worried about the video for YouTube.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Nancy. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah.
It's so cold.
Are you gonna be? Are you gonna be? Are you gonna be? Are you gonna be? Well. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Say that you're gonna be.
I think we're gonna head out soon because it's getting a little bit chilly. I didn't expect for it to be this chilly. But I think before we go, I'm probably gonna put the drone up. It's too pretty of a day to not fly the drone. And I kinda wanna get a picture on the drone with Ava and I. You're heavy. Good morning, y'all. It's Monday. We didn't vlog yesterday because we didn't really do anything, to be honest with you. We ate breakfast, we went to the pool. Pretty much the same thing we did last Sunday. I'm in my gym right now. That's why it sounds a little echoey. I'm about to get this leg workout done on the Ladder app. It looks like it's gonna leave me sore. And I did a 2.5 mile walk this morning. So we got, let me see if you can see, almost 7,000 steps already, and it's only 11 o'clock in the morning. Ava doesn't get out till 2, so I'm gonna get this workout done, go on another 3-mile walk, and then it'll be time to go get her. I usually don't eat lunch until after I pick her up from school. But I wanted to come on here and thank y'all for spending the weekend with us and end the vlog. But I told you I was gonna check in on you, and you thought I forgot, and I didn't. Have you been posting to YouTube? Oh, okay. Because I thought you wanted to be a content creator and you're not posting yet. That's weird. No, but on a serious note, it's already February. Please get to it, okay? One more thing before I go though, can y'all please comment down below what you want to see from this channel in 2025? And for those of you who are new here, I teach digital marketing videos. I'm a videographer, photographer. I love anything tech related, and I'm a single mom. I don't know if you want to take one of those categories. So if you want to take one of those categories and leave a comment down below and just let me know what you would like to see from this channel this year. What I'm trying to do is create like a master list. That way, if I'm ever feeling like uninspired one week, I can just refer to that list. Like, oh, this is what people have asked me to film. So just let me know, please. That would be so helpful for me. I hope you are loving these weekend vlogs, and my vlogs honestly get the least amount of views. My other videos, tutorials, they get the most amount of views. But I need to film these vlogs for my peace of mind and my personal creativity to keep feeding that. Plus, I just love capturing like my everyday life. And I hope it inspires you to capture your everyday life, because you see like sometimes we're not doing anything super interesting, but there's always like a cinematic way to film everyday normal life things. All right, y'all, let me stop procrastinating and get this work done. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old hope it's fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know, but she too down. Will you be my leading lady?